There's a point in every 3D project where the model looks fine, and then you add textures and suddenly it actually feels real or stylized, tactile, or expensive. That step, that's where a lot of motion designers are leaving a lot on the table. Hey, I'm EJ Hassenfratz, 3D artist and your teacher. And if you've been relying on material presets, procedural shaders, or good enough textures, it's time to level up. And you'll do just that in Substance Painter for motion designers. Substance Painter is the industry standard tool for creating custom art-directable materials, and it's used everywhere. Game, film, VFX, and product visualization, broadcast, brand work, you name it. But most tutorials out there aren't made for motion designers. They're either hyper-realistic game assets or way too technical, way too fast, and way too removed from real motion design workflows. In this course, I'm going to teach you Substance Painter from a motion designer's perspective. We'll start with the fundamentals. We're talking layers, masks, smart materials, and smart workflows so you actually understand how Substance Painter works, not just which button is to click. Then we'll move on to stylized texturing, NPR workflows, painterly looks, decals, text, wear and tear, and procedural detail that you can art direct. You'll learn how to texture assets for Cinema 4D and Blender, learn how to prep your models, set up your UVs and UDIMs, cover all the settings you need to efficiently make textures in Substance Painter, and quickly export back into your DCC of choice. We'll texture real projects, characters, environments, product assets, not shader balls. And you'll learn how to think like a texture artist, not just apply presets and cross your fingers. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create custom materials that actually support your design, your lighting, and your story. You also get guided projects, homework assignments, bonus resources, and access to the awesome School of Motion community, so you're not learning in a vacuum. Learning Substance Painter opens up huge creative possibilities, and it's one of the most valuable skills you can add to your 3D toolbox right now, even in the age of AI. And in this course, I'm showing you exactly how I use it in real production workflows. Register now for all access and get Substance Painter for motion designers and start creating textures that actually match the quality of your ideas. I'll see you in the course.